The toothpaste is mint flavored, so this is actually pretty good.
Okay. Oh, wait, stop. Wait.
The 20 pounds I've gained since I met you. Silkworm ice cream.
That's a lot of ingredient to make ice cream. I will use 1 cup of heavy cream, 1 cup of condensed milk, add some sugar. I think this is about right. Let me try it. I think it's too sweet. Next, put it in the freezer. It tastes good just like this. Wow, it really looks like ice cream. Too sweet. I think next time I will not add sugar and vanilla because it's very sweet. Too sweet. I have never eaten ice cream this sweet. Hey, why you use that spoon?
It's the closest spoon.
It's too sweet.
It's got a very, very strong vanilla flavor.
Yes, I think I put too much vanilla and it's too sweet. And next time I will put less vanilla and no sugar. And I will make more Oreo cookie ice cream and Kit Kat.
It tastes more like whipped cream than it does ice cream. The consistency of it.
Looks like ice cream, look, but it's not the same like ice cream.
I'm very surprised because when all you did was whip it with the mixer and put it in the refrigerator, I was figuring it would turn out like a block of ice. But it actually turned out not like a block of ice.
The texture looks like ice cream. I will make more. This one's too sweet. I will make one less sweet.
The texture is more like whipped cream than ice cream.
Oh, I think I put too much sweetened condensed milk.
My guess is that the texture is a consequence of how it's mixed. If you mix ice cream in an ice cream churn, it folds it not as much. But when you use a mixer and you just continually beat it, it's really whipped. But ice cream's not as whipped as this.
Yes.
So I think ice cream's between block of ice on one end of the spectrum and whipped cream on the other end. Anyway, I mean, it's surprising.
How about I mix it with strawberry, since the strawberry is sour and this is very sweet. I want to add some food coloring. Oh, I think I add the wrong color. I wanted to add red.
But you have to churn it.
What is churn it?
Put it in an ice cream maker and have it spin around.
No, we don't need just like this. And I'll put it in the freezer. This is a strawberry chocolate chip Kit Kat ice cream. If we have mint, I will put mint on it. Ta-da! Maybe I'll put more chocolate chips. So much. 1 cup of heavy cream. This thing is too sweet, so I will only add 6 ounces. This time I will add no sugar, a half spoon of vanilla extract. Then I will just beat. Mint chocolate. Beat. 1 tablespoon. Let me taste first. Yes, I need more meat. Another half spoon. That's 2 tablespoons total. That's too much calorie. tastes like mint. Maybe a little bit more mint. We add some chocolate chips. Because I think I put too much mint, so I will mix this with more cream. Wow, the mint smell is very strong. Wow, it's very hard. Ooh, wow. And then I will mix those with Oreo cookies. I think I can also mix it with Kit Kat. Ooh, chocolate. Then I will put it in the fridge for 3 hours. Which one you want to try first?
Well, I think a more important question is, where's my spoon? I noticed you took care of your own spoon and forgot about me until I asked, but now I have a spoon now.
Those two will taste better than those two because I didn't put sugar on this, and those two are too sweet.
Did you actually take the chocolate chips, turn them upside down, and poke them in? Because they're all exactly upside down. They're not just, you didn't mix them in there.
I mixed it with chocolate chips too, and I put them after. Somehow this one melting faster than the other.
So tell me what we've got going on here. This one, is it actually mint or is it just green food coloring?
It's actually mint because I put the mint extract. Very minty.
Here's the problem I have. I just brushed my teeth, so the toothpaste is mint flavored and I can't tell the difference between the toothpaste flavor and the mint ice cream flavor.
Really? I think the sweetness, those two are fine. Those two, too sweet.
So this is actually pretty good.
This is more creamy, more milky than the ice cream from the store.
I'm going to try this stuff over here.
This one is my favorite.
Okay, this stuff has the consistency of ice cream I like.
Really?
Some people like their ice cream super cold. Some people like their ice cream a little melty. Comment below, do you like your ice cream a little melty or super cold? Here's what I like to do. I like to take the ice cream out and keep it in the container. And then it gets melty around the outside and on the bottom. And when it's just perfect, I can turn the whole big chunk of ice cream upside down in the box. And then I can scrape off the melty part off the top of the ice cream, and it's the right consistency. This stuff is smooth and squishy.
This one tastes super good. I think I will eat those two. Those two too sweet for me. This one tastes really good. You try this one. This one has been my favorite, and I have more heavy cream and the condensed milk. I think I will make more.
This one's...
Yeah, this one is hard.
I'm still very surprised that this worked out with just a hand mixer without an ice cream churn. This means that pretty much anybody can do this if you've got a hand mixer.
Yes.
You don't need to buy an ice cream churn. The vanilla tastes okay too with the strawberries. The strawberries are a little bit tart.
This one tastes like from the store. And this one, I think I put too much mint in it. And those two, I put too much vanilla extract.
Brush my teeth with it later tonight.
This is fine if you eat it with strawberries.
Why is this one not melting as fast as the green stuff?
I don't know. After the strawberry being frozen, the strawberry tastes super sour.
Well, it's hard in the middle and squishy on the outside edge.
Do you think we should stop eating it? too much ice cream.
Can we ever have too much ice cream? Okay, folks, comment below. Is it possible to eat too much ice cream? I say no.
I'm surprised of this one. This one is the best. Maybe because this one has the Oreo cookie.
Actually, I'm not going to play favorites with any of them. Give equal opportunity access to be eaten.
I think those two too sweet.
Yeah, way too sweet. I should stop.
Yeah, yes. How about we stop now? How about we stop eating now? I really like this one.
You know what you could do with this stuff? Because of the way you made it, you just mixed with the mixer, right? So you could literally make ice cream cake out of this stuff. If you had a cake mold, you pour it into the cake mold and it would just freeze in the freezer. And then you could actually do
ice cream cake.
Ice cream cake. You could have a green layer and a chocolate layer, and it would actually work really well. You know what you should do? You could actually save the ice cream boxes from the grocery store and you could fill them back up with this stuff.
Next time when I make this one, I'll put less mint.
How much mint did you put?
2.5 spoons.
That's a lot of mint.
Yes.
Okay, you know what else you could do? You could really mess with people's minds. You could put mint flavor and then you colored it green so people expect mint. But if you gave it a different flavor like blue,
yes,
then they would taste the mint, but they would not know what to expect when they look at it.
I'll put it in the fridge. This one's too sweet.
Okay, you gotta take this stuff away from me.
Okay, I'm taking it away. We're eating too much.
Because I can't control.
Okay. Oh, wait, stop. Wait. Oh, eat it tomorrow. That's too much
Take
ice
it
cream.
away from me.
Okay.
No.
This one's really the best.
Okay, you know what? This is actually a good point for us to have this conversation. You know, they talk about the freshman 10. Do you know what the freshman 10 is?
No.
Freshman 10. The 10 pounds you gain when you go off to college for your freshman year. I am experiencing the marriage 20. The 20 pounds I've gained since I met you. Your food channel is not helping. So
I gained too.
who do I need to blame? I think I'm going to blame all the people in YouTube land. Somehow, guys, it's your fault that I'm getting fat.
We should stop now.
Yeah, we should stop. Let's stop.
Well, do you think it's better to serve ice cream at the food panel? If I serve ice cream, I will serve this one. This one is the best. Do you think?
So what are you going to do? You're going to have like a magic refrigerator where you mix the stuff up and you put it in the refrigerator and then you open the refrigerator door back up 5 minutes later and the ice cream's done?
It's need at least 3 hours.
Yeah, well, unless you're going to pre-freeze the ice cream. I guess you could do it backwards. You could pre-freeze the ice cream and have it ready to go. And then you could make it.
Yeah, so...
Or you can make silkworm ice cream. Silkworm ice cream. Hot, spicy flavored silkworm ice cream.
We should stop.
That last bite, very sweet. Very, very sweet.
Oreo cookie?
Feeling sick to my stomach now.
Okay, too much?
No.
Ice cream dinner. We haven't had dinner yet. Is this cheaper to make ice cream or is this cheaper to buy ice cream?
What is it? A half gallon of ice cream at the store runs you what, $5? Well, what does it take? It takes what? Heavy cream, condensed milk, sugar?
No, and don't too sugar. It's too much. The condensed milk is too sweet. Extract and fruit
well, the
and
heavy cream.
Cookies.
The heavy cream is how much? About 50 or something?
Oh, I was going to make the chocolate ice cream. I forgot. I forgot to use the cocoa powder.
So you used both of the heavy cream?
No, I still have.
I think the cost of buying it at the store is probably
cheaper.
Not that much.
To buy all the ingredients.
To buy the ingredients and mix it and then have to freeze it. Because
Yes.
we have to calculate the cost of electricity for mixing it, electricity for freezing it.
And the time.
Yeah, the amount of time I have to wait for it. My waiting time is very, very expensive. Okay, doke, sweetie. Well,
beautiful. We tried the ice cream machine, but it didn't work because we didn't put condensed milk. You want me to make you dinner? We need to get the ground beef, and then I can make the mapo tofu.
You know you're wanting me to take you out to get some sushi.
I'm planning to make that video, the mapo tofu video. Tomorrow I will make mapo tofu. That's on my list because we bought the tofu and we don't want it to go bad. Okay, we're going to have sushi now. Bye-bye. Do you like my outfit?
Baby, your outfit is wonderful.